Oh, are you kidding me?
Video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. We're officially midweek. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are getting after it, guys. I have so much to talk to you about today. And listen, guys, it is going to be so awesome of a show. Although I need you guys to enter the poll. Do you believe the crypto winter is back? We have a lot to discuss, like I said, including news from China, South Korea, Panama. We also have things regarding Tether, their Bitcoin mining, and another exchange that is re-entering the United States. Now, our spotlight today is actually two things. It's going to be one project from the company that maybe wants to stay relevant. And then we also have Donnie T and his family maybe launching a new video game. So we're going to talk about that as well as your coins to watch, because there are a few that I would like to jump into today. So if you're ready for the Zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here, and say good morning to me as I say good morning to you. Check out our three amazing sponsors of the show today: Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then Vacation Genie. I've known Vacation Genie for quite a long time. About a year now I've known about them. And I met them, actually, if you were at Litecoin Summit with me, they had a booth there last July. They're going to be at Litecoin and Bitcoin conference as well this year over in May. So make sure to go say hi to them for me. What they're doing right now is launching a survey, and you guys gotta take that survey because it's gonna help them, again, direct what they're going to do with their vacation travels. So basically, they are pioneers in the traditional travel business. And so what they're trying to do now is have you pay for your vacations in crypto. So if you enter that survey, again, all answers are confidential with the survey. You have a chance to win one Litecoin. There are going to be 10 winners. That's a lot of winners. So one Litecoin per winner, 10 winners. So make sure you guys enter that survey for me. Again, entering that survey will help the channel. Again, it is free to take, and you're just entering for one Litecoin. So make sure you guys check out that survey. All right, let's do it. I want to say good morning to every single one of you guys. We have Mark Smithson, we got Jesse, Crypto Princess, Mike Volmer, Brian, JC, Chipper, John. Good morning, Silver Days, as always. Good morning to Black Hat, that's adding our beautiful Commands Tonight bot for Vacation Genie. We have Silver Turkey, good morning. Alexandra G, my G. Aquarians chillin'. Let's see. David Bowles is here. Squeaks, good morning. James, M2, Grandpa, Doge Bull, good morning, James. We have Shadow, good morning. Casper, Bobby F, Joe Harvey, good morning. Oh, guys, we also have our after show. We have an after show. So make sure you guys go and jump into the Discord. If you guys are a member of the channel, make sure to connect your YouTube account to Discord and join. But if you're not a member, become a member right now. Randy Trader 1776. Good morning to you. It's a nice patriotic username. Nice and patriotic. Mike Mazzone is over on X. Good morning. Nice to see ya. Good morning. Steven is here. Nice to see you, Steven. Where have you been? We got Rob C. Crypto Princess. I said hi to. Ron Beal is here. Good morning, everyone. John Legend with his emojis. Love that. Brokoshi, good morning. Mods are eligible to win. Don't worry. Black Hat's trolling. Mods are eligible to win. Again, anybody that takes this survey is entered to win one Litecoin. Where's the survey? So what you have to do is go to my live show right now and click the link in the live chat, and it's also in the description of the show. So please go to the description. Or maybe one of my mods on TikTok, can you go to my YouTube? I know Black Hat's on my TikTok. Can you paste the link on TikTok so people could get that? We have One House Productions, BPN Omega, good morning. All right, guys, let's get into it. We're going to get into the show. We're going to go into the market recap first, as always. And then we're going to get into our breaking news headlines. Firstly, we have a lot of red in the market today. People are speculating, is crypto winter back? I want to know what you guys think in the chat. As we hop into Bitcoin, Bitcoin is $83,670 right now, up 0.03%. We're looking to maybe establish support around 83K and push for 87,000, which is, again, where our 200-day SMA is. Bullishly, we're looking at 91K. Again, bearishly, we're looking below 80K and looking maybe to establish, again, support again around 76K. Same stuff, just a different day. We have a green dot printed, pulling up that momentum that's seemingly a little bit flat today. The money flow is tipping down, still red. And then we have the RSI that is chopping as well, and the VWAP is heading towards that zero line. Hopefully, again, it does not go below it, because that could spell out some bearish energy, and we don't want bearish energy. Let's keep getting after it. Again, there is some FUD in the markets today. We're going to jump into it with our crypto headlines, our breaking news headlines. Let's do it. According to Coinbase, crypto is in a bear market and might rebound in Q3. Guys, I don't really know about this. I'm a little iffy on this. I don't believe we're in crypto winter. I believe when we start seeing headlines like this, it's time to basically turn around. Do you believe that we are in a bear market? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Do you believe we are in a bear market? Let me see this. A monthly market review by publicly traded US-based crypto exchange Coinbase shows that while the crypto market has contracted, it appears to be gearing up for a better quarter. According to Coinbase's April 15th monthly outlook for institutional investors, the altcoin market cap shrank by 41% from its December 2024 highs of $1.6 trillion to $950 billion by mid-April. Bitcoin Tools data shows that this metric touched a low of $906.9 billion on April 9th and stood at around $976 billion at the time of writing. So, according to Coinbase's head of research, David Duong, he says that crypto winter may be among us. Quote, several converging signals may be pointing to the start of a new crypto winter, as some extreme negative sentiment has set in due to the onset of global tariffs and the potential for further escalations. Saying that macroeconomic scenes at the moment might cause us to have a crypto winter. Do you believe we are in crypto winter? Again, 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. I feel like, again, this is just panic in the markets, extreme fear. And when you are in fear, maybe you should be greedy. Blocky, nice to see you. RJ says, what else is it then? Honestly, I think this is just us kind of chopping it up. We've seen this many times in the past. Again, we can even look at Bitcoin's chart, where over here during nap time, as I call it, from basically November to January, going into 2023, again, end of 2022, going into 2023, we were just chopping it up here. Then we pumped. kind of stayed steady, trying to hold support over here at 21K. Had hit a little bit, like tested the 200-day SMA at 19K at that time, actually. Then we moved on up to around 26K. We were chopping it up at that level, basically battling that level from March of 2023 to October of 2023. Again, then we moved up. From there, we were trying to hold support here at 41K from December of 2023 going into February of 2024. Again, we pumped up again, battled 52K, moved on up again, and then we went into our new range again, trying to stay above 60K from over here, February 2024, essentially, until October of 2024. So, like, there are certain levels that we do try to hold support at for Bitcoin. We do test and fail sometimes, but we always return back and then pump back up. So I feel as though it's the same thing now. It's the same exact thing. Same. So at this moment, I don't believe that we are in a bear market. I never believe we're in a bear market. Again, Bitcoin's been in a bull market since its inception. It's the best performing asset of all time. So again, for that reason, I do not believe we are in a bear market. I just believe we are accumulating right now and are getting ready for better things to come. Again, that is just my opinion. It's never financial advice. You guys know that. So, well, welcome back to the US. Welcome back. Now, a lot of people are panicking over China. Hold on, I have the sound.
China.
Now, again, China is debating on how to handle criminal crypto holdings that they have. Again, confiscated cryptocurrency from criminal proceedings. And so this is what is causing people to lose their absolute minds. Now, this is a new report here stating that China's growing pile of crypto seized from illegal transactions is prompting the local governments to find ways to dispose of the hoard and spurring calls from the courts and the financial industry for better regulation. Now, lawyers say the lack of rules and how authorities should handle seized Bitcoin and other tokens whose trading is banned on the mainland has spawned inconsistent and opaque approaches at some fear that could embolden lawbreakers and foster corruption. Again, we're talking about China here, that they don't like anything that's not their digital currency. They have CBDCs, the digital yuan, the Hong Kong digital dollar. They don't like crypto because it's something that they can't control. So of course they're not going to want other people in the mainland to have any of it. Any access to freedom is no good for China. Now, at the end of the day, they're banning crypto trading, but when has there ever been crypto trading in China? Like, let's be real. Other than their institutions that are somewhat involved in ETFs and some exchanges there, do you think any regular person like you and I, if we lived in China, was able to go and buy Bitcoin and put it in our wallet and trade it? Absolutely not. And if you ever thought that, then it's absolute delusion. If you want to buy something in China, you have to take a test, prove that you're smart enough to have it and have a certain net worth. But how can you ever build a net worth if the government doesn't like you? It's impossible. So now crypto trading is banned in China and digital tokens are not recognized as legal tender or assets there. However, local governments have been using private companies to sell seized digital coins in exchange for cash to replenish public coffers restrained by a slowing economy, according to transaction and court documents seen by the press. There is no way anybody is able to trade crypto in China. So everyone that panicked yesterday was like, oh, I'm selling Bitcoin because trading's illegal in China. It never existed there. It never existed. It just blows my mind that anybody is ever worried about what China's doing. It just blows my mind every time. Blows my mind every time. So I'll just stay quiet on that because whatever. We're heading over into South Korea now, ignoring the
China.
Ignoring that FUD. That literally was never an issue in the first place. South Korean presidential candidate vowed to deregulate crypto like a Trump-era United States. This is interesting. Again, we are seeing that there is multiple countries that are going to go ahead and step back on their crypto crackdown because people like us in the United States are moving forward with the industry. So, South Korean presidential candidate Hong Jun-pyo says he'll remove the crypto regulation similar to how they rolled back during the Donnie T admin, pledging to boost blockchain in the country. During a policy event in Seoul on April 16th, Hong said he will dismantle regulations to the extent seen under the Donnie T admin in an effort to foster blockchain and virtual assets as a single industry. Now, this is absolutely amazing because this sets him apart from other candidates by openly connecting deregulation and blockchain development with the national economic strategy. Originally, the scheduled for March 3rd, the election in South Korea was pushed toward June 3rd, following the impeachment and removal of their, other president, Yoon Suk Yeol. Again, I'm not too into their politics over there, but that's what they got. So we'll see a lot of countries be doing the same. Crypto Surfer, member for 19 months, says jam, jam, jam. That's so awesome. Interesting, everyone. What's going on? What are you guys talking about in the chat? She's cute. She's angry, princess. You haven't seen it. You haven't seen it yet. Moi Moi, a member for 5 months, says keeping faith. A bit concerning, though. Only Bitcoin bull. Keep the faith, man. Keep the faith. Because at the end of the day, it really comes down to the revolution that we're a part of, which is being your own bank and having money that belongs to you and no one else, and it being a long-term play. I view Bitcoin as something I'm going to pass down to my future generations, my kids and then their grandkids. Like, that's where I picture my Bitcoin stack going. That's basically my take. This is a revolution. You keep calm, you hodl on, you fight the fight. Right, Ver Hoofty Floof. Right, Poman? Everyone say hi to Poman. Guys, I am just saying that you guys need to be members of the channel. Be a member on the YouTube channel. And also, we have a new sponsor, Vacation Genie. Show Vacation Genie that we're zesty in this chat. Go ahead and enter that survey. Because you're entering, one, you're helping them as a company. And two, you are helping this channel. And yourself, thirdly, by entering to win one Litecoin. 10 people are going to win one Litecoin if you enter this survey. I would do it. It doesn't take that long. Let's talk about Panama City. Their council actually approved cryptocurrency payments for public services. This is bullish. According to Foresight News, Panama City's mayor, Ms. Rautry, has announced that the city council has voted in favor of accepting crypto payments. Citizens can now use Bitcoin, ETH, USDC, and Tether, USDT, to pay taxes, fees, tickets, and licenses. The legislation mandates that public institutions must receive funds in US dollars, and to facilitate this, the city has partnered with a bank responsible for handling crypto transactions. Smart. Take a look at the survey, everybody. Take a look at the survey. Enjoy the survey. Enter the survey. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the show. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. We have Nicholas that's here, Paper Plane, Sola Hefe, Drift. Nice to see you guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We're going to head back to the United States as we see that we want the United States to buy Bitcoin. And we even know that Bo Hines, the executive director of digital assets in the United States, said that we could use external revenue like tariffs to buy Bitcoin for the country, add it to a strategic Bitcoin reserve. We have seized Bitcoin. And then we got our old gold certificates, priced at $43 an ounce. We know gold is well over $3,000 right now. So cashing out those gold certificates and buying Bitcoin with it is taxpayer neutral. Now, according to Bitcoin Policy Institute, Bitcoin can hit $1 million if the United States starts stacking Bitcoin and buys 1 million Bitcoin. Now, the reason why they say 1 million Bitcoin is because Senator Cynthia Lummis introduced the Bitcoin Act of 2025. She actually reintroduced this after introducing it back in July at Bitcoin conference, where the government would accumulate 200,000 Bitcoin a year for 5 years, thus at the end of the 5 years, owning 1 million Bitcoin. Now, in a Bitcoin Magazine podcast, Zach Shapiro, the head of policy for Bitcoin-focused BPI think tank, said that a 1 million Bitcoin purchased by the U.S. would have a massive impact on the price of the asset. He says, if the United States announces that we're buying 1 million Bitcoin, that's just a global seismic shock. I think first Bitcoin price goes through the roof. I think we probably go very quickly to something like $1 million per Bitcoin. Now, do you think if the government buys 1 million Bitcoin, Bitcoin price will be $1 million per Bitcoin? That would be absolutely insane. Wonder yes emoji, two or no emoji. I wonder if the Donnie T admin is going to get it done. I believe that they will. I really do. I think that they're going to get some Bitcoin purchases done. Of course, like Donnie T won't be here for all 5 years that they're proposing to accumulate this 1 million Bitcoin. But I think it would be highly beneficial for the country in the future. And again, it also like makes you think, like, what if another admin wants to come in and sell it unless they say something within the text, which I know was brought up, that they would have to hold that Bitcoin for like 20 years. That would be ridiculous. Continuing on, Semler Scientific. They are, again, a company that is a healthcare tech firm. They're following the strategy of adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet. They actually settled a DOJ probe, and according to them, they're ready to buy more Bitcoin. Healthcare tech firm and sizable holder of Bitcoin, Semler Scientific, reached a tentative agreement with the DOJ, disclosing in a Tuesday filing it was prepared to pay a $29.75 million fine in order to settle claims tied to potential violations of federal anti-fraud law related to the marketing of QuantaFlow, its flagship product. Now, last month, Semler Scientific disclosed that it had received a civil investigative demand, or CID, essentially a subpoena from the federal agency that typically precedes a lawsuit, from the DOJ back in 2017. Now, the company at the time said it had complied with several subsequent subpoenas and began initial settlement in February. Now, it also helped crater Semler shares, which were lower by 37% year to date as the close of trading yesterday. Now, they are ready to begin their Bitcoin purchases again, and at the Tuesday evening, at the end of Tuesday evening, they launched a $500 million at-the-money mixed securities shelf offering with proceeds most expected to be used for Bitcoin purchases. At the end of the day, they're going to buy more Bitcoin because that's a smart thing to do for the company. Now, also speaking of other companies that may want to get into Bitcoin, we have Strive Management, which again is an asset manager of some sort that is kind of associated with many companies. Like, they invest in companies and basically they tell companies, hey, you should basically do this with your money. Who is the CEO? Matt Cole is the CEO of Strive Asset Management. Who else is involved in the company? Vivek Ramaswamy, one of the presidential candidates. And he also is pro-Bitcoin. Don't forget. Now, Matt Cole, the CEO of Strive, said to GameStop, go buy some Bitcoin. GameStop, after a little while, raising some money, bought $1.5 billion or they have committed to buy Bitcoin, and they completed a $1.5 billion convertible note offering to buy Bitcoin. Let me correct myself there. So now they're on to GameStop and another company that they're looking to hold Bitcoin, Intuit. And we also know Intuit is very popular among the financial end of things for taxes. So Matt Cole, again, the CEO of Strive Asset Management, said, hey, GameStop, buy your Bitcoin, and now wants software developer Intuit to reverse what he described as a censorship policy and an anti-Bitcoin bias that could jeopardize the long-term shareholder value. In an open letter dated April 14th, addressed the Intuit CEO, Suzanne Gadzari, and board chair Susan Nora Johnson, Cole pointed to a recent incident in which Intuit's MailChimp email marketing platform disabled the account of the Trojan Bitcoin Club, a student organization at the University of Southern California, for mentioning crypto in emails to its members. Now, Cole said on behalf of the clients, we are concerned that Intuit's censorship policies and anti-Bitcoin bias threaten to destroy the shareholder value of the company that they worked so hard to create. And so MailChimp later reinstated the account following public pressure, and Cole said the episode reflects a broader pattern of deplatforming that includes Bitcoin developers, educators, and businesses. Cole said such actions expose Intuit, known for its TurboTax preparation software and QuickBooks accounting software, to reputational and legal risks, particularly as public concern around tech censorship grows federal regulators, including the Federal Trade Commission, the FTC, begin investigating platform discrimination based on speech or affiliations. So this is very true, because even Matt Cole said that he believes that TurboTax and even their other platforms as well could be automated by AI. So he said, if you want to destroy your business, that's fine, but AI might also destroy you. And so they need a hedge against being destroyed by the reputation and AI, which would be buying Bitcoin. And so for the sake of TurboTax and for the sake of their company, they should probably buy Bitcoin. Do you agree with that? Let me know in the chat. But this is just another example of straight up censorship that we're seeing from companies. And especially like a tax company, like you're going to lose a lot of business by censoring people in crypto, because people in crypto definitely need to get their taxes done. One House said the survey was painless. Oh my gosh, One House, are you telling me that you did the survey for Vacation Genie? Tell me you did it. Tell me, One House, you just did that survey. Tell me you did the survey. Oh boy. No G's in the chat. Hello. Tell me you literally just did the survey. Guys, do the survey for Vacation Genie. Enter the survey for a chance to win 1 Litecoin. There's going to be 10 Litecoin being given away. Let's do it. Done and done. John. Oh my gosh. One House. Yes. You got to pump it up. Guys, fill out the survey. Oh yeah. We're also going to talk about Tether. Tether's big into Bitcoin mining. They actually partnered with Ocean Mining Pool to decentralize Bitcoin block building. This is very interesting on behalf of Tether. Tether is all up in the Bitcoin space. So Tether has announced it intends to deploy its existing and future Bitcoin hash rate to Ocean's Bitcoin mining pool in an effort to strengthen the network's decentralization. According to a statement, deploying hash rate to Ocean aligns with both our mining investments and our broader mission to fortify Bitcoin against centralizing forces. And again, this is from Tether's CEO. So the Ocean protocol attempts to decentralize the process by empowering miners to build their own block templates using their open source datum protocol, reducing dependency on centralized intermediaries, and enhancing censorship resistance, according to Tether. This is absolutely amazing. Put a Bitcoin miner emoji in the chat. Tether is killing it. Tether is killing it. Bitcoin miner emojis, please. That is absolutely beautiful. Go Tether. Bulldog, Eric said he did the survey before he even said hi to us today. I can't even tell you how happy I am that you guys literally are doing the survey. Love that. Vacation Genie, like, they're so cool. They're such great people. And when they were like, yo, Randy, like, have people do our survey, they're going to win some Litecoin. I was like, my community loves Litecoin. So this is so great. So make sure you guys enter it. Make sure you enter it. Also, we have the stablecoin market that people are eyeing to looking at the market cap growing to $2 trillion by the end of 2028. And this is Standard Chartered that is aiming for this. I believe stablecoins will also explode. Now, we have the Genius Act expected to pass in the U.S. in the coming months. This is the Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoins Act, and it could trigger an almost tenfold jump in stablecoin supply, according to Standard Chartered. Now, U.S. legislation, according to them, would further legitimize the stablecoin industry, adding that we estimate this cause total stablecoin supply to rise from $230 billion today to $2 trillion by year end of 2028. If stablecoins expand, especially US dollar stablecoins, it will help the global dominance of the US dollar. We've been saying it for years. Hyper-dollarization needs to happen, and hyper-Bitcoinization to solidify this country as an economic powerhouse, because all of these other countries don't want the dollar anymore because of the foolishness of previous leadership that had the dollar crash and burn. But then it's also other countries that are like, yeah, man, we want money in our own hands. And so they don't want to trade in the US dollar anymore. That's a problem. Hello, everyone. Jesse did the survey. So much love to everyone doing this survey. And also love to OKX Crypto Exchange. OKX is killing the game. They expanded back to the US and establishing their regional headquarters in California. They're bringing their exchange and also their wallet services back to the US. Now, they actually just paid the DOJ $500 million to settle charges that they had. And I think this is very interesting. But OKX is back in the US. Now, again, OKX is expanding to the U.S. Their new headquarters will be in San Jose, California. They'll be rolling out access to its platform with their native wallet and U.S.-based crypto trader platforms. And in a Tuesday evening announcement, their newly appointed U.S. CEO, Roshan Robert, said the expansion was a commitment to responsible growth, and he was most recently an executive at institutional global lending platform CLST, which was a founding team member of crypto prime broker Hidden Road, which was actually just acquired by Ripple for $1.25 billion. Also, one of the biggest deals made in crypto ever. So this guy has a good resume. Now, Robert wrote, as regulations evolve, OKX is working closely with U.S. regulators and policymakers to ensure we operate transparently and compliantly. We've built a comprehensive risk-based global compliance program that includes enhanced due diligence, a robust KYC process, customer risk rating systems, advanced fraud detection, AML tools, geo-blocking, and market surveillance tech. These are all part of our commitment to a secure, compliant trading environment. Now, 2 months ago, a subsidiary of OKX actually settled charges that it operated in the U.S. without a money transmitting license, agreeing to pay the DOJ over $500 million in penalties and forfeited fees. Good for OKX. I believe they'll make that money back. Good for them. Good for them. Now, here's the thing, guys. Our president is not done in crypto. His family is not done in crypto. They have World Liberty Financial. They're also rumored to launch a crypto game, which we actually discussed a little while ago. And from what the trademark we discovered was about, it was more focused on a virtual world, like a VR type thing, a virtual reality thing. And so new reports are coming out that he's actually launching, our president, a crypto monopoly inspired crypto game. Yes, a crypto monopoly game. This actually seems pretty dope. Now, this is according to Fortune, that the game, reportedly set for release in late April, is part of a growing suite of crypto ventures tied to the Donnie T brand, including NFTs, a meme coin, a DeFi project, and a Bitcoin mining company co-owned by his sons. Again, the Bitcoin mining company is called like America Bitcoin. And so this is going to be a blockchain-based real estate game that sources describe as a game that's similar, again, to Monopoly. And so they say it resembles Monopoly Go, where users can earn in-game currencies to develop digital cities, and the project is being developed by Trump ally Bill Zanker, who previously helped launch Trump NFTs and his Fight meme coin. So this is absolutely huge. Would you play the new Donnie T game? 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Would you play the new game? Would you play it? Cuzzy did the survey. Rob C did the survey.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Guys, thank you for doing the survey.
Oh, baby.
I'm so sorry, my allergies are just wild today. Tom Crown, Papa Tom. Oh, good morning, Papa Tom. When does it launch? So apparently the Donnie T game is going to launch late April, so literally this month. So what survey? Guys, we have a brand new sponsor of the show, Vacation Genie. And so Vacation Genie is a company that I actually have known for about a year now. They're very nice people. I met them. They actually had a booth at Litecoin Summit last July. You'll actually be able to visit their booth in the upcoming Litecoin Summit in in Vegas. Also, they'll have a booth at Bitcoin Conference. Basically, their aim is to have you pay for your vacations in crypto. They're big fans of Litecoin, as are we in this community. So they have a survey that they put out to basically give them input on their future business. They want the community involved. And so they're, again, great people. Responses are confidential. And if you entered the survey, again, using this link that I gave you guys, you are entering to win 1 Litecoin. And there are 10 Litecoin being given away. There's going to be a lot of winners here. Yes, the survey is free to take. You do not pay for the survey. You do not pay for anything. Just click the link, take the survey. Answers are confidential, and you enter to win 1 Litecoin. Survey completed by Moi Moi. Oh, boy. Yay! Oh, that's so awesome. Thank you guys for taking it. Please make sure you guys take the survey. The link is in the chat now. And let's get it. Let's get it. Danny did the survey. Oh, Danny. Yay. Wrong again did it. Brian did the survey. Everyone's doing the survey. We love the survey. Do it. It's free, and you get to win the Litecoin if possible. 10 people. So, ST over there on TikTok, go to my live stream right now on youtube.com/missteencrypto. You'll see I'm live right now. In the description of the video, also in the live chat, I have the link to the survey. Yeah, it's on YouTube, Bionic. So go to YouTube, do the survey, and enter to win one Litecoin. David did it. DJ did it. No is gonna do it. I can't. I just can't. I can't. Guys, you're so amazing. We're doing the survey. 10 of you are gonna win a Litecoin. Andy's like, anything for free crypto. Yeah, Andy, he's gonna do it too. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh yeah, that was our spotlight. One of our spotlights was Donnie T. Here's our other thing we're gonna spotlight for a moment. Now we have Sony. Everyone knows Sony for their tech, some software they do. Now they actually are in crypto. They're building Sonium. They're tapping ein layer to actually cut finality to 10 seconds. So Sony is actually doing pretty well. Again, the link for the survey, guys, is on YouTube and Rumble. Astar, a Japanese Web3 adoption collective bridging Astar network to Sonium, said it slashed their blockchain finality time by over 98% as it aims to solve one of the biggest challenges in blockchain scalability. Now, they have their partnerships to launch a fast finality layer for Sonium, again, a layer 2 blockchain developed by Sony Block Solution Labs. And so this is the new finality layer to provide a crypto economic security guarantee through a decentralized network of validators to reduce the reliance on centralized sequencers and enable more secure cross-chain transactions. This is actually wild because it could result in a sub 10-second transaction finality for Sonium, a 98% reduction from its initial 15-minute finality, which was achieved through Optimism's OP stack. And so going from 15 minutes to 10 seconds, fire. Fire. Hello, Dustin. Rez, hello. Cuzzy said, I did it because you're extra zesty this morning. Oh, yes. Julio, hello. Crypto Farmer did it too. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So what are you guys doing the survey? You got to pump it up. Yes, guys, please do the survey. Pop out, do the survey. Someone on X asked where it is. Again, it's on YouTube and it's also on Rumble. So go in the live chat or the description of the live show on YouTube and get after it. Nose on question 11, get after it. That's so awesome. Antonio, thank you for the heart. I appreciate it. Oh boy, I'm so excited right now that you guys are doing this survey. All right, guys, we also have coins to watch. Let's do it. Right now, we have some gainers. Radium is up 12%. Fartcoin up 5%. We have Hyperliquid up 0.23% and Curve up 9%. Also, your losers here are Onyx down around 16%. Walrus down 12%, Jasmine down 9%, Move down 9%, and Pi down 7.69%. All right, guys, we're going to take a look at some charts before we go into our after show. Again, you have to be a member of the channel and get some after show pop in your life. So please make sure you guys go, again, become a member of the channel, connect your YouTube account to your Discord, and then join the member stage. Black Hat posted the survey link to X. Thank you so much, Black Hat. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at ETH right now. $1,587, down 0.1%. Bearish level to watch is 1450. We want to hold 1540, 1550-ish. Bullishly, we're looking at $1,800 ETH. Now we have a green dot printing on this momentum that seems to be pulling back ever so slightly today with the money flow actually tipping down and the VWAP also about to go below the zero line. Choppy RSI too. Looking at Litecoin, again, you can enter to win one Litecoin in that survey. $74.80, down 0.5%. We want to hold $75. Bearish level to watch is 63. Bullish is 85. We actually do have a fresh red dot printed here for Litecoin. Money flow, again, is the lowest on Litecoin since back here in August. Also, VWAP is below that zero line. The RSI is mid-bear. So just keep note. Also, Dogecoin, guys. Do you think it's a good time to buy Doge right now? Put those Doge emojis in the chat. We're at 15.5 Doge, up 1% for Dogecoin. Your bearish level to watch here is around 11, no, I would say 12 cents, 12.25. Bullish level to watch here is around 18 cents. We have a red dot printed, pulling down the momentum, the VWAP over here, and then the RSI is also choppy. But it looks like it's making a nice move to the upside, so we'll see where it goes. Looks like markets are going to stay red today, JC says. Well, we'll see. Short term, doesn't matter. It doesn't. I care about the revolution. That's it. Now, Gary completed the survey. Jesse completed the survey. Oh, Verhooty Floof is going to do the survey. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. David Bowles did the survey. He said it's easy. It is easy. Army Piper is here. Oh, hello, Piper. Shout out to Army Piper. Guys, do the survey. We're pumping right now. The survey is pumping. Danish, I'm not on Nostr. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. Like, here's the thing that I just don't get. Here's the thing. I'm going to rant for a minute. Why does half of the space think I'm a maxi? And then the other half thinks that I'm a coiner. Because that's literally what people say. They're like, oh, yeah, Randy's a coiner. Oh, but Randy's a Bitcoin maxi. I'm like in none of these things. I'm just a person that exists and educates people on all things crypto. So what are you getting angry about? What are you getting angry about? There was someone that said I couldn't go to their event because I'm not completely Bitcoin only. I'm like, what? Like, this still exists? Like, even Bitcoin conference has people that aren't Bitcoin only anymore. Like, that's actually just blasphemous. Like, it's a waste of time. Like, this tribalistic, like, is a waste of time. Like, actually stop. Like, it's actually like kids, like, it reminds me of literal elementary school where, like, some kids were, like, in the corner and, like, yeah, this is our group. And then there's, like, another one on the other side of the court. Oh, this is my group. Who, like, why can't we all be friends? Darn it. Like, come on. I just don't get it. I don't get it. Like, it's actually childish to be tribalistic. Is Bitcoin my number one? Yes. Yes, I love Bitcoin the most. But do I not talk about Litecoin every day? Do I not talk about ETH every day? Do I not talk about everything else every day? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Because it's my darn job as a crypto educator. Yeah, Zools. Zools did the survey. I don't know, man. Like, let's stop the madness. All right? Let's grow up here. Let's all be friends. Because if one wins, we all win. If Bitcoin wins, we all win. If Litecoin wins, we all win. If ETH wins, we all win. So stop the madness. Stop the madness. Oh, yeah, I can't be friends with you because you're not a Bitcoin maxi. Like, what the? Sorry. Yeah, I don't understand it. Who else did the survey? Oh, you're finishing the survey, ST. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, V Ramirez did the survey, said really easy. Zulsa said took 30 seconds. No is finishing the survey. Oh boy. Wait, who else did the survey? If you did the survey, let me know in the chat. Oh boy. Oh boy. Who else did the survey? I'm looking through the chat. Oh, this is so exciting. Trev is almost done. Quarter Crawler did the survey. Poe did the survey. Jose did the survey. Oh boy. Gary did it while he was ironing. I love that. Oh, I love that. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, David Lee did the survey. Trev is done. Jay Antonio did it. Wow. Sean said, just a newbie, but I did the survey. Oh, yeah. That is so awesome. No did the survey. Randy A did the survey. MK did the survey. Chris did the survey. Someone just asked for the link. It's in the live chat in the description. Guys, please check out Vacation Genie. They are launching an amazing product where you could pay for your vacations in crypto. Get after it. Enter that survey for free. Answers are confidential, and 10 people will win 1 Litecoin. 10 Litecoin getting given away. On Rumble, Mr. Scary doing it right now. Crypto Analyzer. The link for the survey, I believe, is in the comments of this live stream on X and also in the live chat and description on YouTube. There is no live chat or description on X. Oh boy, I am losing my noodle right now. This is absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much. Nicholas Pitts did the survey too. I felt like this dress was type tropical. Oh, ST is done with the survey. Yay! Yeah, I thought this was a tropical outfit. You know, I was actually inspired by Vacation Genie, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I should put like a palm tree in the back of me. And I'm like, do you guys think I should get a palm tree? Because it's also type Florida. It's also Florida, very Florida-esque. So I was thinking, hey, maybe put a little palm tree here. Like get like a little palm tree. I'm thinking about it. Cause he found it. He found the noodle. Thank you. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. I am so excited. Guys, we're actually coming up on the hour here. You want some Ondo TA? Okay. JC did the survey. Oh, let's go. Okay, guys, I'll do some Ondo TA and then we're going to go into the after show again. Please become a member of the channel so that way you can hang out with us. Okay, 1 second. Let me get the Ondo. All right, Ondo is 82 cents, down 0.5%. Been holding pretty steady here. Ideally, you want to hold support here at 71.5 cents. Bullishly, we're looking at 99 cents, basically $1. Again, that's a psychological level there. So watch out. Those are your 2 levels to watch. If we fall below that 70-something cents that I just mentioned, looking at the bearish level of 43. We have a red dot printed, pulling down this momentum. VWAP is bearish. Money flow is bearish for pretty much everything right now. But the RSI, on the other hand, is making a nice little push over that neutral, but it is now below it. If it pushes above that neutral again and goes bullish, we see the VWAP pick up, then maybe we could try to challenge that 99 cents, maybe hit $1 Ondo. But as of right now, look at that 99 cents and bearish level of 71.5 cents. Username says, hello all, King Bear has sent us. Oh boy. Guys, I think we're going to be okay. Everything's going to be okay. I really do believe that. Not a palm tree, a pump tree. That would be so awesome. A Piper raid. Oh shoot. The Army Pipers are coming through. Oh shoot.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my gosh, my G is here. H-bar thoughts. I think H-bar, especially if they get their ETF, will do some good, probably. Yeah, Rumble people are getting it done. How many people are getting the survey done on Rumble? Let me go check out Rumble. Also, guys, make sure you're subscribing to the channel. We really want to get 6 more subscribers over here. Let's see it. again, guys, we are entering. Hi, Danny. JRMO, GMGM. Guys, again, we have something really beautiful going on for all my pipers that are entering the chat right now. We have a survey that you guys can take from Vacation Genie. Again, this is literally just to help them. Essentially, it's a free survey. Free. You don't got to do nothing but press buttons. Answer with your honest opinions here. Again, free survey. Answers are confidential, and you are entering to win 1 Litecoin. 10 winners are going to win. There's 10 Litecoin being given away here. Sean Harris is done. Let's go. Let's go. So I know all the pipers just came in here. Guys, please enter this survey. It'll help the channel if you enter this survey. So get after it for me and for yourselves and for Vacation Genie because they're great people. So let's get after it, guys. Again, enter the survey. It's free. Answers are confidential, and you're entering to win 1 Litecoin. Again, 10 people are winning, which I think is really generous of them to give away 10 Litecoin. I think that's a big deal to let go of 10 Litecoin. But like I said, I've known them for a long time. They're good people. And so, yeah, do the survey for the gang. Exactly. Do it. And for the potatoes, I'll give it to No because he did the survey.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse.
Oh, yeah. Guys, please smash the likes, subscribe, share this out with friends. How many likes do we have? 121 likes. That's awesome, guys. Let's get 4 more for 125. Guys, we're killing the game right now. We're killing the game. This is so awesome. Where do we find the survey? YouTube or Rumble. But if you go to YouTube, subscribe. If you go to Rumble, subscribe. And go into the description of the video or go to the live chat and you'll find that survey link. So enter it. Again, answers are confidential. You're entering to win 1 Litecoin and you're helping some good people out by doing it. And you're helping me as well. When am I doing the giveaway? The giveaway is being done by Vacation Genie, so they'll let you know. Or actually, they might give me the winners. I don't know. I'll ask them if I could get a copy of the list, and I'll announce it on the channel, perhaps. I got to see essentially what they want to do. But I will be posting on X about this survey as well, so just keep posting on my X. And if you guys see the link that I post on X, please make sure to share it so that way, again, we could get the word out about Vacation Genie, what they're doing, and that they're giving away 10 Litecoin. So I think it's great. But as of right now, we are heading over to Discord, guys. Please make sure you guys head over to Discord. Make sure you guys connect your YouTube account to it. Become a member of the channel. Again, if you're a member, you're able to take part in this after show. So have a beautiful day. M2 completed the survey. Oh, yeah. In Danish, too. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys so much for completing the survey today. You guys are great. We're going to keep pushing the survey until they close it out, which I think is around mid-May. So please make sure you guys get after it. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends. Thank you to our sponsors, Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, and Vacation Genie. Enter that survey and hang out with us right now in Discord. Have a great day. Happy Wednesday. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.